Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel Visionary Global Consultancy. So friends, in this video we will discuss in details about East Tennessee State University, United States of America Graduate Scholarship Program. We will discuss in details about graduate scholarship, their eligibility criteria, and how much amount they offer to graduate students in this scholarship. So before going in details, I request you as always, if you are new on my YouTube channel, do like this video, share and subscribe, and click bell icon as you can easily receive all upcoming important videos. So let's discuss in details. First, you have to search on Google East Tennessee State University, United States of America. When you will be on official website, then you can find here home, admissions, measures and cost. You have to click in cost and graduate. Here you can see paying for graduate school scholarships. We will discuss about scholarships. Here you can find graduate assistantships, tuition scholarships. There are a lot of different scholarships for undergraduate, graduate and PhD students. But in this video we will discuss in details about graduate scholarships. We will click here on scholarships. You can find here are different type of scholarships: George L. Carter Scholarship, George L. Carter Plus Scholarship. We will click on International Merit Scholarship. Description for graduate merit scholarship: the International Merit Scholarship for graduate students is available to new graduate international students in East Tennessee State University. To be eligible for International Merit Scholarship, the students from abroad, foreign students admitted to a graduate program, first of all you have to apply for admissions. If you will be admitted, then automatically you will be considered for this International Merit Graduate Scholarship Program. Minimum undergraduate, you should have cumulative GPA of 3 out of 4, attending full-time 2 years full-time master's degree. Other details about this graduate program: a separate application is not necessary, as I told you before that when you will be admitted, then automatically you will be considered for this graduate scholarship. Here they have clearly mentioned notification of the award will appear in your admission letter. The scholarship cannot be combined with the graduate assistantship, tuition scholarship or any other scholarship that cover tuition and fees costs. If you will be selected for this merit scholarship, then you are ineligible for other assistantships or tuition scholarships. You cannot apply. The funding covers tuition, service fees, housing, meals, plans or medical insurance as well. Graduate students may receive the scholarship for 5 semesters or the length of the program. Doctoral students. Certain students are ineligible. Who are ineligible for this scholarship? Students pursuing a second bachelor's or second master's degree. For example, if you have already master's degree, then you are ineligible to apply for this graduate scholarship. Graduate students receiving a graduate assistantship or tuition scholarship. If you are receiving any assistantship, then you are also ineligible for this scholarship program. Awardees amount $5,000 for master's students in every semester and $9,000 for doctoral students in every semester. The award process and contact information, we have to click here. we will find international students scholarships details here. List of international student scholarships. All things we have discussed in details. International students academic merit scholarship, their criteria, scholarship value per academic year, award and terms and conditions, students ineligible for the merit scholarship. So all these are the details about this East Tennessee State University Graduate Scholarship. Further, if you have any question about this video, you can ask in comment box or you can contact me directly on given Telegram link. So see you soon in next video. Take care and bye.